I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up transaction alerts on your American Express account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the American Express website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Alerts. Once logged in, find the Account Services or Settings option in the menu. Look for the Alert section to manage your alert preferences. Step 3. Choose Alert Preferences. In the Alerts section, you can select the types of alerts you want to receive. Options typically include transaction alerts, payment reminders, and more. Step 4. Set up notification method. Decide how you want to receive your alerts. You can usually choose between email, SMS, or app notifications. Make sure to enter the correct contact information. Step 5. Save your settings. After customizing your alert preferences, don't forget to save your changes. You might see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts are set up. Sometimes, users forget to check their spam folder for email alerts, so make sure to whitelist American Express to avoid missing important notifications. I hope this helps you stay on top of your transactions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.